Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I know I've been posting here and there, but I'm around and I'm trading, guys. It's just that sometimes I don't have time to come to recording the videos and posting them, but hopefully I can address that as we go. But anyway, I just wanted to talk about when plans don't go according to plan. I guess I don't know if there is any English like that. So just wanted to show you a loss that I'm in currently. So here the trades that I currently have, you can see they are all in profit, but this is good profit, eh? Nice profit. Look at this. Look at my current balance. Of course, I've got equity of over 1,000, but my balance is actually negative $162. How did this happen? How did this happen? So that's what I'm going to go into as we go with the video. So if you've watched my videos previously on this channel, I told you the easiest way for me to trade, let me put for me to trade, because I know some people trade using different ways. The easiest way to trade, at least for me, is if you want to make money with trading, the easiest way is use dollar based pairs, because most of the time the dollar based pairs are very easy to understand. The moment you understand this USDX, my broker calls it USDX, some brokers call it USDXY, some brokers call it dollar index, but it's the same thing. It measures the strength or the weakness in the US dollar, which means now you can be able to understand what's going on in gold, NAS 100, AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, NZD USD, and all those other pairs. Currently, I'm just only trading three pairs. I do come to NAS 100 here and there. I'm not big on it, but I do come just to have fun with it. My bread and butter at the moment is Euro USD, AUD USD, and gold. And I do sometimes also include silver, but silver is temperamental, and I recently decided to just take it off my charts at the moment, so it's not there. Which brings me to this point. I'm actually now also thinking of maybe suspending gold for now and just focus on Euro USD and AUD USD and NAS 100. Why am I talking about suspending gold for now? Because gold has got a funny relationship with the dollar index. As you can see at the moment, the dollar index is dropping. Dollar index is dropping. Maybe it's going to come here, which is why I bought on AUD USD, and you can see positive profit on AUD USD and also Euro USD. Where is my AUD USD? There is my AUD USD, and also my Euro USD moving positively nicely. Very easy to do, because why? The dollar index is going the opposite way. You just go to your other dollar pairs and you see if it's USD card. Of course, you are also moving with the dollar, but if it's a pair like GBP USD, you move opposite, because the dollar is second pair on that one. Easy to do. It's normally the case with gold. Normally the same case with gold, but look at what gold is doing. Dollar index is dropping and gold is dropping as well. So I actually had a couple of trades here where I'd actually bought, because my dollar index was dropping, so I was looking at gold actually bouncing from here and going back up. Lo and behold, it didn't do that. That's how I ended up in this negative balance here. That's how I ended up with this negative balance here, in case you are wondering. So let me just close a few trades just to boost my balance, and I'll hold a few trades so that, okay, and I'll keep a few trades so that whatever happens, I still have some good money to play with. So let me do that. Bringing my balance back to over 800. And how many trades do I have in play now? Let me do that. So I'm going to just leave two trades per pair, so that whatever happens, that's how I usually trade anyway. So now I've brought my balance back to 1120 positive, and I still have about $500. Sorry, I'm in South Africa. I tend to say rand sometimes, but so now we shall see what happens. But my idea is that we see these dollar pairs probably coming to this level, which will be a good day for me. It will be a good day for me. Today is Monday. We'll see what the market has for us. So probably Euro USD might come and test this level, or it might actually go up and test this level. I'm a swing trader. So I'm interested in going to see what is going to happen, but I'm still positive on Euro USD just pushing all the way up. If we go back to the 4-hourly time frame, let's see what we have there. By the way, I usually get asked which broker do you use. See the links in the description, guys. See the links in the description, guys. You will have everything about me, about the system that I use, everything. And also watch the other videos on this channel. You get an idea of what I'm doing here. I try to make these videos shorter because you guys, you hate watching long videos. That's why I try to just keep these videos shorter. So everything else is on this channel. Everything else is in the links in the description box below. So yeah, gold for now. Gold. I got my hands bent on gold. Things didn't go according to plan. So that's why I always say gold has got this funny relationship with the dollar index. I don't know why it does that sometimes. Silver as well. The dollar index will be dropping and silver will be dropping as well. The dollar index will be rising and silver will be rising as well, which is also you find these inconsistencies with gold also, where it should be going opposite direction. You find that gold is actually moving the same direction with the dollar index, or sometimes then it switches around, then it starts going opposite direction like it should. So sometimes it doesn't work like that. So that's how I got bent on gold this morning, but in any case managed to recover some on that. So yeah, maybe let me just bank some money on this. Let's do that, and I'll just keep two trades. It's a Monday. I don't even know where the market is going to go, by the way. So yeah, like the video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. What pairs do you trade? Uh, what pairs do you trade? How come this trade doesn't want to close? What pairs do you trade? I'm interested in knowing what you also trade. So that's it for me. Now I'm just going to go back to those trades, and I'll just put a break even on them, so that whatever happens, at least I've something in there just to protect the trades. But yeah, so from negative 160 to a positive 1355, that's a good morning. So let's see what is going to happen with these trades. If they get hit, at least I've just moved my stop loss to break even. Not so tight there. Just zoom in a bit. Not so tight there. So hopefully Euro USD keeps pushing up. I haven't even checked the news to see what major news is going to come. Like I said, I usually start with the dollar index. I'm a technical trader. Usually whatever the dollar index is doing, I go and do the opposite on AUD, USD and Euro USD and gold. But gold, lately, you cannot rely on gold to do the opposite of the dollar index. So just be aware of that. Just lost money on gold. Lost money on gold. I was in a buy here. But anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video.